By selecting a Steam download region that is geographically closer to you or has less network congestion, you can potentially experience faster download speeds for your games and updates. If a particular download server is experiencing issues or is under heavy load, switching to a different download region can provide a more stable and consistent download experience. So follow the instructions of this video to learn how to change your Steam download region in a quick and easy way.